fucking hell.
Okay. Okay, this fucking right. This is just documented proof that Jacob has lost his mind.
Gizmo.
Because he doesn't seem to understand that all delivery slots for like pretty much all the shops are all booked and taken up, right? He just doesn't seem to grasp the concept. Look at him. Searching so hard.
Wait,
You're not going to
whoa.
find anything.
Yeah, I did. I found an exact figure. Number of people. Number of users in the queue ahead of you. 12,483.
Oh my god.
Estimated wait time. That's 10 minutes.
Hun, we're better off just going to the shop and queuing like everybody else. Yes.
Nope.
Yes.
I'm a starve.
No.
Yep.
We don't have to starve.
That's it. I'm a starve.
No.
Yep. That's it.
I think this isolation business has sent him loopy. Because he's not used to being inside. I don't mind. It doesn't faze me at all. But him, he's more of an outdoorsy boy, aren't you?
We're going to starve now.
No, we're not going to
We're going to have to live off bacon.
I mean, you need to buy some bacon first.
No, we can use you.
You're calling me a pig?
No.
You're rude. You're rude.
Alright, I need to check Lidl.
Lidl's not good. Lidl doesn't do deliveries.
Well, I need to confirm that with the website.
Stop this. Stop.
Premiere? They
Premiere?
do food delivery.
Oh my god.
I can pay them.
You've literally lost your shit. That is a man who is not.
Aldi.
Funny.
Direct Ocado.
Yeah?
Ocado.
No, Ocado's expensive. Stop it. Stop.
I said Ocado.
Yeah, Ocado's
Oh
expensive.
my god. They blooped me.
Oh, flipping out. So, yeah. I think we should just go and queue up personally, but fucking Spazzy McSpazster over it. Mr. Down Syndrome Central.
True.
On. I'm trying to comfort you. You're not gonna get anything. So what? Stop! I'm trying to give you comforts.
Yeah.
Let me comfort you.
Shut up, you fucking anal bead. Store finder.
Need us comfort.
There's nothing on Lidl. You checked Asda.
I did.
Check Sainsbury's.
I did.
Check Morrison's.
Yes.
What supermarket? Iceland.
Oh, this is a nice picture.
My face reminds me of a pineapple.
Really?
Yeah, look at this.
Who lives in a pineapple under the sea?
Jacob!
Who's porous and yellow something something. I don't know the lyrics.
Oh, look. What's it? Oh, you.
What's the bet, ladies and gentlemen at home, that
At home?
all the slots have been taken? I'm going to bet yes. That's my bet. Oh look. Oh look. Oh look.
Ooh, I am self-isolating.
Yes, we are. But we're not vulnerable. At least I'm not. Oh look. Fully loaded. Fully booked. Fully booked. Fully booked. I wonder what the next one's gonna be. Oh look. Fully booked.
No, I know what we need to do.
Just queue up like everybody else?
No, we wait till midnight. And then a new day comes on the system and we book it immediately.
No.
Wait. Yes.
That won't work.
Yes. It will. Because I'm a genius.
It won't work.
This is my bed.
So, but everybody else has got the same idea. I've put up with this for 3 weeks. And that is the end of that. Good night, ladies and gentlemen.